Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix unable to check for update iOS 18.5. Many iOS users have reported recently that their iPhone unable to check for update iOS 18.5, taking long time for downloading process, reaching the server field and stuck on the update screen motionless. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check if Apple server is down. The first thing you need to do is your iPhone is unable to check for update is to check if the Apple server is down. You should visit the Apple system status web page. If the server status is yellow, that means there are some issue with the server and that's why the update is not showing up. You can connect the Apple support, but they will also ask you to wait for some time until the server becomes active again. If the status symbol is green, that means everything is fine with the server and you have to check for another problem that might be causing the issue. And you are done. And the next step is check network connection. The network connection also plays a very big role while checking for the update. If the network signal strength is weak, then there are chances that checking for update gets stuck. For this, go to settings and then choose Wi-Fi. To check Wi-Fi connection and also plug in the charger, disconnect the Wi-Fi and reconnect it after a few seconds. And see if the problem is resolved. And you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone or iPad. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is free up enough storage before checking for update. Sometimes when there is not enough space on the iPhone or iPad to download and install the latest update, this would make it unable to check for update for iOS 18.5. For this, go to settings. Next, go to general option. Next, choose iPhone storage. From here, you can delete and offload multiple apps by just tapping on it and then choose offload app, or you can delete app, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. There are chances that maybe the network is causing the trouble, so you can try resetting the network settings. For this, launch the settings app on your iPhone. Go to general option. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and then choose reset network settings. From here, it will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings. All the settings will be erased without affecting the data of the device, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone and iPad unable to check for update iOS 18.5, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.